Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the settings, just the notification panel here, and to open the settings of the top bar here you should find the edit icon here. Just click here, and now we can just add or remove or just to change the position of some icons. For example, to add more icons here to this waterable just section, we should hold for a while and drag this section to the up section here. So by the same way we can add here more positions if you want. If you want to remove some just icons from here, just by the same way hold it and drag it here to the down section. And if you want to change the positions of the icons, just hold for a while and drag it. That's so simple, as you can see. And to save the changes, just go back here to the app and we can see here that just all the changes, they are visible. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.